Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. We're back with another job here this morning. We have a manufactured home. We're doing a house wash, driveway, sidewalk. Alright, so we got sidewalk, driveway. They're not too bad. We got a couple battery acid stains here we're going to try to take care of. And walkway up to the front of the house. Then we got the house itself. Working on inside of the garage door. For some reason it's got a lot of algae or mold buildup. So we're going to see if we can get that. I pre-treated some of this along here and it looks like it'll all come up, so we'll get that cleaned up the best we can. We're not getting too much water in the garage here. Then we got the walkway coming up to the front. We got some green algae growth along the fence, up along the top portion up there, down along this side. Not too bad along the side here. A couple golfers out there enjoying the day. And then back along the side. Not sure what that is up there. Looks like somebody tried to clean it at some point. And down along the back. And then back along this side here. The other side of the house isn't too bad, so. Alright, well that's our job here this morning. Let's get going before it gets too hot. Okay, so we're all done here. I'll walk you around and show you how it turned out. Okay, so here's the front of the house. It's looking good now. All the green's gone. Yeah, much better. We rinsed off everything inside here. All the green over on this side's all gone. This all looks good here now too. Take you around the back. Much better. And back along this side. Not sure, somebody did something up along that gutter line. Almost looks like they put some kind of chemical in there. Shouldn't have been. Took the paint off, so nothing we could do about it for. And back along the side. And then of course the back here. And over on this side here. Okay, well, that's a wrap on this one. Turned out nice. This is the third referral we got out of this community here, so we must be doing something right. All right, well, we will see you at the next job.